Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am so excited. This is something that I've been wanting to do for months, years, let's say years. But so I'm like, why not start a channel? Years back I did have a channel, but that accidentally got deleted. Bummer. This channel is called Enhance with Kimberley. I had a feature in a magazine, an e-magazine, and it was called Enhance, and it was all about upliftment, beauty, health, life, style, things like that. So I'm like, why not just carry it to YouTube? Not that there is a shortage of these types of channels. But anyway, Enhance is about me, it's about you, it's about us. You will be getting videos from me all about beauty, both inside and out, love, life, lifestyle, clothes, things that are fun, things that are bright, happy, nothing depressing. There's too much of that in the world today, so I'm just gonna be like, bleh. So, to start off my channel, I have to have a video. I figured that since you guys are going to be going on this enhancing journey with me, why not get to know a little bit about me? So this video is going to be 20 random facts about me. What I'd love for you guys to do is to comment below some random facts about yourself. Feel free to leave it below. All that said, let's get started. My celebrity crush is I love The Rock. The Rock is probably the only celeb that I would freak out if I met. I am allergic to bee stings. I am obsessed with the song Human Nature. That is my all-time favorite song. It's just that it's just that it just gets me. I used to suck I am lactose intolerant, but I still consume dairy. I love cheese. I need to cut that out. I hate green peas. Hate green peas. Hate it. Blech. My ultimate dream in life is to become the first ever Jamaican-based Disney princess, animated princess. I'm obsessed with Disney. I am a Jamaican. And if you could tell from my accent, but I'm Jamaican. I hate to sweat. I hate sweating. Sweating is just not for me. I love cats. I have a cat. I have a cat. She's over there right now, sleeping. I don't have a driver's license. I can drive, but I don't have a driver's license. So I always misspell the word accommodation. Always. I love to smell my boyfriend. Isn't that weird? I just like the smell. Clear just ran out. I like to wiggle my toes when I'm falling asleep. I have the nail biting spirit on me. It's like a problem right for me. A huge turn off for me is a man who has no pockets in his pants. Do not have stuff to carry. Going to home goods stores get me excited. I just love to walk through an aisle and see plates, cups, a knife, a fork, a new painting. I just love it. I hate wet hair. Like you wash your hair and you leave hair like in the shower. It's just ugh. I don't like insects. Turn into a ninja if there's a fly in the room. And lastly, I love to take selfies. I just like to, remember moments. Or just pictures in general. I like to take pictures. I'm my mother's child. So that's it guys. 20 random facts about me. I would love to find out some random facts about you guys. So just leave a comment below. Thank you for watching the video. And remember to subscribe and share as well. I would love to build an awesome community with you guys. And I'm signing out for today.